Alright, what's up everybody? A quick video today. So I sort of have been wondering how to turn a laptop or a computer into something like a dash cam that has like cyclic recording. And I was searching the web as I normally do, Googling things, and I found this piece here that is fairly old. I will leave a comment down below that describes how this person went about setting up their laptop as basically an audio recorder. And I basically tried all of this, and I eventually got things to work, except for cron. There's an error that I get for audio recorder, and that causes the cron job to stop. But I came up with a way to just have it run, because this isn't something I want to necessarily have run like all the time on my laptop. So at least with my solution, I can run it whenever I see fit. So I will leave this in the link in the description, and I will show you what I recorded on my laptop. Right, so here we now looking at a video that I recorded on my laptop. The quality is absolute junk. I will just post the text for the audio recorder or for the script here. Then you can see it. But this is basically what I came up with. And it is an infinite loop. As long as it doesn't run into any errors, this should just infinitely loop. And there's a few things that we need to discuss. So first things first is the audio recorder. From the link, there was that little extra bit for the display, for choosing the display. That did not work for me, whether I tried it with cron or not. The script ran with it, but it didn't work in cron, so I just took it off, and it's still hit or miss. So I left that out. But basically, you want the audio recorder to start in the stop position. That ensures that there's no recording going on. Then it immediately swaps over to start, which means it starts recording. I then have a sleep for 10 minutes. So that allows the recorder to just record for 10 minutes. I then give it the stop command, which stops the recording. I then sleep for 2 seconds. That is just so that it can finish, writing up the metadata and stuff for the MP3 file. If you use a format that doesn't need indexing and anything like that, then you could probably leave that sleep out. And then I have the audio recorder -c quit, which you'll also see is not in the original script. The reason why I used the quit was I ran this using 1 second intervals. So every second I basically had a new recording for 150 times. I just wanted to check if it would actually work in deleting anything over 150 files. And I ran into a too many files open error. Okay, now I wasn't wanting to boost my limits or to push my limits up, and since this is something that could potentially be running for days on end, depending on what you're using it for, I felt that those files need to be closed. And thankfully, the audio recorder does have a command for the CLI to just quit. So by quitting the program, as it's my understanding that all those recordings it's just done is also closed and taken out of memory, and then it runs through everything and it starts it up again. So that should avoid the too many files open error. I haven't ran into it again. The other thing is here, we changed the directory to where I have the audio files saved, and then we have a remove command with piped into an awk command and ls. That just ensures that anything over 150 gets deleted. Then I do a cd again just to come back into where my script is, so that it just can run it again without having any issues. So that's basically it. Here you can see it in action. The only thing I have a problem with this is every time the audio recorder starts, it will start in the open position, and it will start wherever your cursor is. So if you're using this while you're working, be prepared that this program will pop up every 10 minutes wherever it is, wherever your mouse cursor is. I have tried to use the start minimized command, but then for some reason the start recording command doesn't work. So that is why I'm just letting it do its thing. I mean, it's every 10 minutes at this rate. You can change it as well if you want the MP3s to be a bit longer. You're welcome to change it. You can just change that first sleep from 10 minutes to whatever the heck you want, and that will delegate how big your audio files is. Now, this is useful. The original person said that he wanted to ensure that any conversations that he was having in his office or his cubicle was recorded in case there's some he said, she said situations. For me, this is going to help me just to monitor my pet at home when we're not here, so that I can check whether the pet is barking or whinging or howling or whatever the case may be. But anyways, that's it from me. If you like the video, like it, leave comments down below, links down below. Cheers, bye.